Okay, so here's the biggest advantages of using big data. Okay, so it can be improve business processes. Okay, so probably, the biggest advantage of big data is to help the businesses to gain a huge competitive advantage. Okay, a part of being able to understand as well as target custom better. Okay, analyzing big data can result in the improvements and optimizations of certain of the business operations. Okay, for instance, by mining big data, retailers can not only explore patterns in consumptions and production, but can also promote better inventory management, improve the supply chain, all right, and optimize the distribution channels among the others also. Okay, so another advantages of using big data are the fraud detection. Okay, so this advantage of using big data comes from the implementation of machine learning technologies. Okay, so it helps banks and other financial institutions to detect frauds like any fraudulent purchases, okay, with credit cards often before even the cardholder gets to know about it. Okay, and another advantages of using big data is improve the customer service. Okay, one of the most common goals among big data analytics programs is improving customer service. Okay, so today's businesses capture a huge amount of information from different sources, okay, like customer relationship management system, social media, together with other points of customer contacts. Okay, so by analyzing these massive amounts of information, they get to know about the tastes and the preferences of the user. And with the helps of the big data technologies, okay, they become able to create experiences, okay, which are more responsive, personal, and accurate than ever before. Okay, all right. So, despite the advantages of big data, it comes with some serious challenges, okay, that make it the implementation difficult or risky. Okay, so here's are the biggest disadvantages of using big data. Okay, so first is privacy and security concerns, of course. Okay, so probably the biggest disadvantages of big data is that it can make the businesses a softer target for the cyber attacks. Okay, even giant businesses have experienced instances of massive data breaches. Okay, so there is a need, okay, for technical expertise. Okay, working with big data needs a great deal of technical proficiency and proficiency, sorry, and that's one of the key reasons for which big data experts and the data scientists belong to the highly paid group in the IT landscape. Okay, so training existing staff or hiring expert to handle big data can easily increase the cost of the business a lot. Okay, all right, and then we have, the applications of the big data here. Okay, despite the advantages and disadvantages of big data that we have discussed here, all right, it just cannot be denied that the data powers almost everything these days, and businesses have only started, okay, to scratch the surface of the possibilities. Okay, while in the future the complexity might be higher, but we can surely hope to see more advanced big data operations, okay, to sail through the challenges.